Hello friends all over the world, it's Jakub Vosáhlo from Magic District Havířov, from Czech Republic. Hello and welcome, probably on my Facebook page or in my YouTube channel. And because today is a Friday, that's the day when I shoot education video for you. So here is another one. If you're a magician, this is a well-known thing for you, but if you're a layman, you will be amazed. This is something called the Six of Hearts phenomenon. If you're a magician, you know everything about it, but if you're a layman, watch this. This is something you can use if you, let's say, play a poker, or if you play a blackjack, or if you play a prší. It doesn't matter. So, what is it all about? It's like a mathematical anomaly which you can use to your advantage, okay? You can take any pack of cards, people can shuffle it, it doesn't matter, and every time when you count 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, the Six of Hearts should be on the 5th position, okay? It doesn't matter what kind of pack you use. If you cut the cards, or if you just shuffle, or if other people are shuffling, it really doesn't matter, because every time during this mathematical procedure, the Six of Hearts stays mathematically probably on the 5th position every time. I tell you how later. I show you with a different pack of cards how does it work, and why does it work, and then how you can use it, okay? So, let's say this one, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, the Six of Hearts, yes. For sure it works with the small pack, also 1, 2, 3, or it's 9 out of 10, it's not every time, but 9 tries out of 10, it will be the Six of Hearts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Six of Hearts again. Okay, what about these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Six of Hearts. Okay, so why does it work, and how does it work? How can you use it? Let's say that you know, it's a know-how for you, that you know that every time someone is shuffling a pack, the Six of Hearts stays 5th, okay, on the 5th position. But it doesn't work exactly every time. You must follow some precise procedure during this process, okay? The first thing is that at least once you or your spectator have to shuffle the pack with the classic overhand shuffle, okay? Classic overhand shuffle, and at least once during the procedure it must be shuffled with a riffle shuffle, or it's easy one, doesn't have to be like perfect, just on the table, or you can take and just put, or your spectator can do it, it doesn't matter. And every time when you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the Six of Hearts, okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, Six of Hearts. It still amazed also me and other magicians, you know, that's something we play for ourselves as magicians, because we don't understand it either. That's the thing, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Six of Hearts, for sure. This one, and you can shuffle as much as you can and as you want, it really doesn't matter, but at least once overhand shuffle and at least once riffle shuffle. It's a math, it's a mathematic, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, Six of Hearts. So there are 3 rules why, or 3 exceptions why this won't work for you. Yeah, there could be a mistake, so you have to be sure that you have a full pack of cards, that you have all the cards. So if this doesn't work, try it with your pack. If it doesn't work, just for making sure, count those cards one by one if you have a full pack, or it doesn't work, because it's a mat, so it have to be precise. When the cards are falling, you have to have a complete pack. Okay, that's the first rule. The second rule, how to use this, is that it will work better for you if you use mariášové karty. I don't know how to translate this for you in English, mariášové karty, but it's a pack of cards specially made for playing mariáš. Okay, if you find those playing cards, mariášové karty, you shuffle, or you let your spectator shuffle. Every time, works every time with mariášové karty. On the 5th position, there's every time the 6 of hearts. Okay, and the third rule, if it doesn't work for you, if you have a complete pack, or if you have mariášové karty, and if it's still not working for you, you didn't have probably a seashell in your pocket. That's the third thing. Then it works every time. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the 6 of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6 of hearts in the complete pack. Here, I'm not sure if I shuffled like this overhand. For sure, I shuffled now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the 6 of hearts. What about these? I did shuffle those, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6 of hearts. And just for making sure how strong this is, I found this pack of cards. It's made for it's for a game called Bank. It's like a Western game, so there are no cards. There are just pictures with cowboys and horses and different kind of ideas to play on the Wild West. But anytime you shuffle, okay, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5, yes, 6 of hearts. Okay, so it works every time. So if you play poker, every time when you watch the other players and you see that someone shuffle like this and one's like this, one riffle shuffle, one overhand shuffle at least, you know that the 5th card in the round will be the 6 of hearts. If you're playing a blackjack and you're exactly at the beginning and you have a 15, you know that the 5th card will be the 6 of hearts. Or you can show a magic trick to your children. You write the 6 of hearts on a piece of paper and you write the number 5 underneath, and you tell them shuffle like this, cut as much as you can, as you want. They do it, and then when they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is the 6 of hearts. So there are many uses for the 6 of hearts phenomenon. I hope you like it, guys. My name is Jakub Vosáhlo. Visit me on jakubvosáhlo.com or follow my Facebook page. It's right here below this video. And see you next time. Carpe diem. And the magic is still alive.